How fear of losing money can hold you back. How often have you found that you were unable to take advantage of a scenario that could potentially be advantageous because you were paralyzed by the fear of losing money? Perhaps it was a company initiative that you decided not to pursue, an investment that you decided not to make, or even a personal ambition that you did not completely fulfill because the concept of financial instability was too much for you to manage. All of these things could have been the reason for your decision. Fear, despite the fact that it is a natural feeling, may become a serious obstacle when it begins to govern your actions and restrict the possibilities that you have for the future. Fear of falling short of one's financial ambitions is deeply ingrained in human psychology and permeates every aspect of human behavior. The origins of this behavior can be traced back to our evolutionary past, when the loss of important resources was regularly coupled with the risk of death. Since then, this tendency has been increasingly prevalent. Despite the fact that the stakes in today's world are rarely as great as they were in the past, the emotional response is nevertheless effective. The very idea of losing money can trigger feelings of vulnerability and even fear. This is because our sense of safety and control is intricately related to our financial security. As a result of this connection, the mere concept of losing money can cause these sentiments. It is common for this inherent fear to be amplified when one's own experiences, in conjunction with the influences of society, are taken into consideration. A significant number of us were brought up in families that placed a significant emphasis on exercising caution while dealing with monetary matters. A mindset that places a higher premium on safety than on development is developed as a result of the inculcation of messages such as "save for a rainy day" or "don't take unnecessary risks," beginning at a young age. This leads to the formation of a mindset that prioritizes safety over progress. In the event that you have experienced or witnessed financial difficulties such as the loss of a job, debt, or unsuccessful ventures, those memories have the potential to intensify the fear, which can have a long-lasting impact on how you navigate the world of money. The dread of losing money does not always manifest itself in a dramatic manner. Rather, it operates in the background, impacting decisions that are made on a daily basis in ways that are subtle but considerable. This dread of losing money is a common occurrence. It is possible that you will choose to make no investments at all because you are concerned about the volatility of the market and the likelihood of incurring losses. Because inflation progressively lowers the value of cash that is not invested, this strategy may result in missed opportunities for growth despite the fact that it looks to be risk-free. This is because inflation gradually diminishes the value of cash that is not invested. Similarly, fear may prevent you from moving beyond a position in your professional life that is safe but uninspired. This can be a significant limitation. This is owing to the fact that the dangers that would be connected with looking for a new job or starting your own business could appear to be overwhelming. There is a possibility that this fear will produce further stress in the context of personal interactions between individuals. It is possible for one partner to cause the other partner to experience frustration and conflict when the first partner is excessively risk-averse. For the purpose of breaking free from this cycle and achieving liberation, it is essential to address both the practical and emotional aspects of this concern. Because it can help you understand how to manage risks rather than fully avoiding them, having a good foundation of financial knowledge can be revolutionary. This is because it can help you understand how to manage risks. By way of example, gaining knowledge about diversification can make the experience of investing feel less intimidating. This is due to the fact that diversifying one's investments across a wide range of assets reduces the likelihood of experiencing a significant loss. Beginning on a small scale, perhaps by setting aside a small amount for investment, will allow you to gain experience and confidence without suffering feelings of being overwhelmed. This will allow you to expand your business without feeling overwhelmed. A shift in your perspective regarding monetary matters can also have a substantial influence on the course of your life. Take into consideration the concept that money is a tool that can be utilized to generate chances and achieve goals, rather than thinking of it as something that should only be preserved. In spite of the fact that they are challenging, losses are frequently a consequence of the process of growth or development. The lessons that they teach us are quite important and can assist us in making better decisions regarding our relationships in the future. By building an emergency fund as a financial safety net, you can additionally reduce the amount of stress you experience. Having this knowledge will instill confidence in you, allowing you to take fair risks without jeopardizing your own stability. Considering the fact that it is of equal importance, it is necessary to properly treat the emotional part of this fear. As a result of the fact that it is normal for fear to develop in the absence of clarity, taking steps to discover and comprehend the triggers that cause your anxiety can be of assistance to you in regaining control. It is possible to alter your mentality by reflecting on past experiences and recasting them as chances for learning rather than as unpleasant experiences. This can be accomplished by thinking back on previous experiences. Managing the anxiety that comes with making decisions involving your finances can be accomplished through the utilization of disciplines such as mindfulness, meditation, or therapy. Your ability to approach these decisions with a stronger feeling of calm and rationality will be enhanced as a result of this. If you are able to overcome your fear of losing money, you will be rewarded with additional rewards that are enormous. There are several examples from the past of people who had the bravery to take risks, and as a result, received huge benefits for their efforts. Although it is not uncommon for entrepreneurs who gave up the security of traditional jobs in order to pursue their ideas to face initial failures, it is also common for them to eventually achieve exceptional levels of success as a result of their perseverance. Investors who held their positions for an extended period of time and were able to withstand fluctuations in the market typically found that their patience paid off handsomely over the course of time. Even actions that appear to be of little consequence might have consequences that last for a long time. Making the decision to invest in oneself, whether via education, the development of skills, or the pursuit of a passion, frequently results in returns that, in many circumstances, significantly exceed the initial financial cost. This is true regardless of the type of investment being made. The decisions that are made not only make it possible to take advantage of new opportunities, but they also strengthen one's resilience and self-assurance, which makes it simpler to deal with prospective dangers in the future. For one to be able to overcome the fear of losing money, it is required to possess the qualities of self-awareness, self-confidence, and the ability to confront ambiguity. The potential for financial success, the opportunity to achieve personal fulfillment, and the liberty to live life according to one's own terms are all advantages that are well worth the effort, despite the fact that the risks may appear to be scary. Can you please elaborate on the specific factors that are preventing you from taking that first step? To achieve financial independence and self-assurance, the first step is to make the decision to take action. This is the first step on the route to independence. Are you ready to conquer your anxieties and create space in your life for the chances that are waiting for you in the future? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.